morning, judges and audience. Now, let's imagine the situation. Imagine you have a frog and you have a pot full of water. Now, you burn a fire under the pot and put a frog inside the pot. In a few seconds, or in 1 minute or 2 minutes, you may see the frog enjoying swimming in the water. But then when in 5 minutes or 10 minutes or until 20 minutes, the frog will not look happy anymore. It may get more and more heat and immediately it dies. Now the pot with the boiling water is like the earth that is getting more and more heat. The frog is like human. Now is global warming a myth? First, let me give a definition of 3 words. Global. Global is the earth. Global warming means the rising heat of the earth because of the sun, because of the pollution of the ozone layer and get more heat from the sun. Myth is an idea or a story which many people believe, but does not exist or is false. Now today I came here to stand for the fact that global warming is not a myth. It is a real threat to mankind. President of the United States, Barack Obama, stated many times that climate change is more destructive than terrorism. Now global warming is a part of climate change, so that means global warming is more destructive than terrorism. Global warming is not a myth because of 3 reasons. First, global warming leads to drought. I can give you a clear example in Africa, in Haiti. Many people are dying because there's no food, there's no water. When the earth is becoming more and more, when the earth becomes hotter and hotter, there's no rain, no water, so plants cannot be grown. So people have no food, people have no water to drink. And people in Haiti, we have seen the documentary that they are trying to make food out of mud or dirt. They got this mud or dirt and mix it with the vegetable ingredients and dry it under the sun. When it gets dry, people eat it. And can you imagine how miserable mankind is? Our stomach is not made to eat those mud or dirt. But in this situation, people just have no choice. Second, global warming leads to an immediate loss of life because of the heat. I can give you one more real example. In India last year, thousands of people died because of the temperature rises over 40 degrees Celsius. A lot of people trying to escape from the heat, they try to get into the ponds or lakes in order to keep their body maybe cold, but it couldn't help. More and more people die immediately. In this situation, when a country loses lots of lives, then the country loses a big part of human resources. This is a real problem. Third, global warming leads to ice melting at the poles. This is the lesson that we learned in schools before. Everybody learns this lesson. When the earth becomes hotter and hotter, the ice at the poles will melt. And when the ice melts, the water will get into the sea, and it increases the sea level higher and higher, and the areas near the sea will be covered with water. So when this happens, some countries or even continents will be covered by water. Well, when the area is covered by water, people living in those areas will die. So it is not a myth, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great destruction, a real tragedy. So all in all, I stand here to stand for the fact that global warming is not a myth. It is a real threat to mankind because of the three reasons I mentioned. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for your interesting speech. And you have 2 minutes for answering the question from Richard.
So your opening analogy about the pot of boiling water and a frog.
Yeah.
It said that the frog, when you gradually increase the temperature, the frog doesn't know enough or think enough or react enough to jump out of the pot, which is good too. So do you think the people on Earth should be building spaceships, jumping out of the pot?
Well, so let me clarify the question again. Should people on Earth build a spaceship?
Yeah, should we escape the climate change and global warming? The frog wasn't smart enough. The frog gets boiled. Should we just boil, or should we escape sometime?
In my opinion, we should not build a spaceship in order to escape from that. Why? Because spaceship is man-made. It's not natural. Maybe we